Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished revalving a set of WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kits. These come set up for motocross riding from WP, and the rider that purchased these requested our Flowy single track setting. This rider is based in South America in Argentina. And from our conversations and the videos that he showed me of the terrain that he rides, we both agreed that the Flowy single track setting would be most advantageous for the diverse terrain that they cover. It sounds like they primarily ride in second and third gear speeds with lots of momentum, coming up to the occasional technical section where they shift down to first to navigate through it and then get back onto the trail, and occasionally clicking up to fourth gear for some of the faster sections. This rider is 210 pounds, so we used 4.8 Newton springs in the forks, and we're also providing a firmer 48 Newton shock spring for the rear. The bike is a 2023 KTM 300XC. The springs have already been fitted to the cartridge, and the proper preload spacer has been fitted to the spring as well. This way, the baggie and zip tie can be removed, and these cartridges can be directly installed into the forks. And just follow the JBI suspension settings guide that is provided to know where to set the clickers at and how much oil to pour into the outer volume. Thank you for watching this video. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.